Guys, welcome back to East West Picayune. Behind me is Grand Central Terminal, and I decided to come down here this evening to Manhattan, to the city. Behind me, like I said, is the Grand Central Terminal. This is a historical landmark in Midtown Manhattan, and the 42nd and Park Avenue facade has a Beaux-art architectural design, and there is a sculpture right on top there of Mercury for speed, Hercules for strength, and Minerva for intellect. And the Tiffany clock is about 14 feet in diameter and is the largest example of the Tiffany glass in the world. The terminal connects to New York City subway, and it also contains a connection of Long Island Railroad and a 16-acre rail terminal underneath the Metro North area station, which was built from 2007 and 2023. So right now I'm here at 42nd and Park Avenue, and of course there's a hotel here down the street, and that's where the Manhattan Henge is supposed to happen, around this street looking back this way. Alright, so now we're gonna try to cross the street. And also this was open to the public in February of 1913. Also, the terminal covers about 48 acres and has 44 platforms, and all platforms are below the ground. Go figure. As you enter the main entrance here, you're going to walk into Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis foyer, and this is adorned with glass and bronze chandelier, and this was named after the Onassis, who in 1970 helped ward off the demolition of the main concourse and the construction of this Grand Central Tower. These are passageways that the walls and arches are made of travertine, and the floors are made of terrazzo, so you can see. As we pass through it, there's also a coffee bar there. And now we're gonna walk through the main concourse. It's filled with bustling crowds and is often used as a meeting place. Here is a schedule of the train, departure, and arrival. Now we're gonna keep going towards the main concourse. Beautiful chandelier flock the ceilings. Of course, the travertine walls, like I said. And as we move along, you can see the many people that come through the terminal here. And right in the center of this main concourse, you could see there's a clock. 24-inch wide, four-sided brass clock faces is made out of a rare opal glass, and it is estimated to be worth 20 million USD. Go figure that. A lot of people tend to meet around the clock, when they say, oh, we're gonna meet in Grand Central by the clock. That's what it meant. And of course, our beautiful American flag and a beautiful ceiling, and I believe this has some kind of an astrological or constellation stuff up there. I'm not really exactly sure, but flocked with nice windows, and sometimes you see people walking through those windows because that's where people, they pathway to go to the offices. And you see so many people here on the main terminal. Probably half of them tourists, so to speak. Now we're gonna walk through this. I think this is
part of the railroad terminal that can go to upstate New York. One of those terminals that you take a train, shows you what platform you need to take, and you board your train and off you go outside of New York City. Tell you, this place is massive. You can get lost here. Now let's climb the stairs. This is like the west wing or west balcony. Right behind me is the east side. And I believe there's a entrance here towards some apartment, the vendor-built, camp-built apartment. This is the area where, for a tourist, is a mandatory picture taking area. You can see a lot of the tourists standing, and so they could have a background of the beautiful windows and clock. Again, the beautiful ceiling.
So if you're new to this channel is about food, fun, some travel, and of course some of my East-West life here in America. And as you know, I am from the Philippines, therefore you can see a variety of cultural stuff in this channel. And it's gonna be pretty much, you know, like a variety of stuff. So if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe.
We're gonna go downstairs now on the east wing, see what's going on down there. And here you have all the different food vendors. You're gonna see in a minute. Places to eat. Prices is fair. For New York price, I don't think they that pricey, but you know, again, this is a main hub, so what do you expect, right?
A lot of people, everybody in a hurry. That's what my daughter said. It's here, it's like everything is fast paced, like run, 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 golly.
Do y'all see that banana pudding? I think I need to come back later and get some.
Yeah, I I guess I really think there's a nice restaurant down here, but I guess I was wrong. I thought years ago there is one, at least. Oh well. And there is an oyster bar. Oh, here is the whispering zone or something, they say. I think if you say something in one of these corners, the person across from that corner can hear you. Okay, let's go to the Vanderbilt area. I think this place was built, if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, by the Vanderbilt. I heard he's one of the most richest person who was alive then, which I believe because we went to the Vanderbilt estate up in upstate New York one time with my daughter. I gotta upload that vlog. That's a shame. I had not uploaded that. Oh, shopping is here. Subway shuttle down there and shopping here. Huh.
Oh, and I had to say it. I'm sure it's not the same target.
I guess I've never been on this side. That's funny. Bakery. Oh, they do have croissant here. Maybe I'll get my croissant there later. If it's any good, hopefully. If they still have any. Oh man, look at all the bread. And to my right is the main concourse again. That's the track. And this is Madison Concourse, it says. I think this brings you to the Long Island Railway. More shops around, coffee, a lot of coffee shops. Oh, that's a Starbucks. Yep. Everybody's running. Catching the train. Madison Avenue, so good to I'm in an air-conditioned room, but boy, I am hot. I am sweaty. I'm like, sweat is just pouring out my forehead. I don't know. Must be hot flashes. Jesus. Oh. Apparently you can buy a ticket here. Yeah, everything is automated here, pretty much. Up this other stairwell, the east balcony. We were at the west balcony earlier. So we're gonna get up there, and there's a Apple store. I am an Android girl. I refuse to learn the Apple app, the Apple operating system, Safari. So anyway, this should be the end of this video. So if y'all enjoy this little clip of Grand Central
Terminal, please like and subscribe.
And comment down below, is there any other places in New York y'all love to go see? And let me know. And until next time, bye.